Well, hello. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back, whichever the case may be. Today we're going to be making this out of this world tumbler. Hi, my name is Christy and I'm the owner and creator with Lulu Ladybug Creations. You can also follow me on my other social media pages at Lulu Ladybug Creations. I hope you enjoy the beauty of handmade. So we're going to start off with this 24-ounce plump from the Tipsy Magnolia, and I'm going to sand it down with a 120 grit sanding block that I got from Amazon. Now what we're doing is we're just sanding off all that shine so that my paint adheres to the tumbler. After I get this sanded down really well, I'll take some alcohol and I'll spray it down and wipe off all that residue that I sanded off. Now I'm going to get a little screwdriver and I'm going to hammer that little screwdriver into the bottom of the tumbler to pull off that underneath so that we could do a glitter booty. Now I'm going to use Folk Art Matte, and it's in the color Smoke Screen, and we're going to cover the tumbler completely and use it as my adhesion for the glitter. Now I'm also going to be using two glitters, one chunky mix and one fine mix, and it's from Makerflo and they're both in the color Opal Ice. And it's a color shifting glitter. Now what I am going to do is I'm not going to cover it completely with the chunky mix, but I am going to cover most of it. Once I cover most of it with the chunky mix, then I'll go back over it with the fine mix and fill in all the spaces that didn't get covered with the chunky mix. But my idea is to make the chunky mix glitter kind of look like stars. Again, we're not going to go full coverage on the chunky mix, but we will on the fine glitter. Now I'll let this dry for about an hour or two, and then I will place a coat of epoxy. I actually 2 coats of epoxy, and I do use Resin Rockers epoxy, and it's called Perfect Finish epoxy. Alright, so this image I got from Creative Fabrica. It's a full wrap image, and I did print it on translucent vinyl sticky paper, and I'm hoping that the chunky glitter, the glitter mix, shines through really well to make it look like it's the star, the galaxy. I'll go ahead and cut off, fold back about an inch of this vinyl backing and get that placed on the tumbler. Now I didn't seal this image with Rust-Oleum because I've done that before with this clear translucent vinyl sticker paper, and it left a film, like a really cloudy film on it. So I was just really careful with placing it on the tumbler. Now we went in with a coat of epoxy to seal it in. I'm going to use some striping washi tape that I got. I either got it from Michael's or from Hobby Lobby. I believe this one is from Hobby Lobby. And we're gonna go around the top and the bottom rims of the tumbler. Once I get the striping placed down, I will seal it with, I used, oh goodness, hold on just a second. Binding potion from Adhesive Apothecary. And I used it on the striping just to hold down so it won't lift when I'm putting epoxy. And I did place one coat of epoxy, but now we're going to work on the glitter booty. The glitter that I'm going to be using for the glitter booty is from Chase Rae Creations, and it's in the color Amethyst. And then I'll be using the Makerflo Chunky Glitter in Opal Ice. Now the amethyst color will go around the outside of the bottom, and the chunky mix will go in the inside well. And I am using a Illumilite UV resin. Also, I'll be curing it with that UV lamp that's there in the screen, and I purchased it from Amazon. I'll have that link in the description as well. Before curing it, I will go in and pop any bubbles with the little torch lighter that I have. Using that UV light, it does make your product hot, so just be careful when checking to see if it's been cured, that you don't burn yourself. I will go in with a little bit more UV resin just to fill up that bottom portion just a little bit more. Making sure all my washi tape is laying down flat on the tumbler. After a coat of epoxy, here is the finished tumbler. It came out really cute. I did put my logo down at the bottom. Looks really cute, and I'm wondering if it would have made with a little bit better of a darker color, but no, I like it like this. I think it looks really cute. Now if I were doing this for a boy, I wouldn't put glitter, but I would put mica powder just to give it that like new car paint. Y'all be sure to like and share, comment below, and tap that bell to get notified. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed creating it. Thank you for watching.